He thundereth with the voice of his excellency, and he will not stay them when his voice is heard. He directeth it under the whole heaven, and his lightning unto the ends of the earth. After it a voice roareth, for he saith to the snow, Be thou on the earth. Psalm 147:16. He spreads the snow like wool and scatters the frost like ashes. Psalms 148:8. Fire and hail, snow and vapors, stormy winds fulfilling his word. December 22nd, 2012. A cold snap and snowstorm in Ukraine has killed 83 people, while hundreds more have sought treatment for hypothermia and frostbite. Some 536 people have been hospitalized with hypothermia. Authorities have so far set up nearly 2,800 heating points to help vulnerable people across the country.